filmed before a live studio audience.
Hey there! How's it going? Oh, you know, living the dream. So I've heard you got some new wheels. Ones that match them rear ones that you got. Yeah, I have got new wheels. If you want to just see the new wheels, just skip forward to 2 minutes 5. Just ignore all of this. Yeah, I have got new wheels. I'm just waiting on Sam and a Hat to get my tyres fitted. Don't know. Oh, there he is. Hey, Sam and a Hat. Have you got my tyres fitted on those new wheels yet? Sorry, mate. I've been working on it, but I've been a little bit too tired. Classic Sam and a Hat. Anyway, joke's on you. Wheels have been fitted already. They're right there. No way! You got me! Bazinga! What a good practical joke that was. What am I like? I have got no idea what that was all about, but if you've managed to survive this far into the video, well done. So, for those interested, these wheels are 32 racing wheels, track stars, in 15 by 9 and 5 by 100. Not only do I think they look great, each of these is over 3.5 kilos lighter than the wheels that I previously had on. So, anyway, bye.